Oh, hey. Well, let's see what we got. This is a $100 tech haul. Subscribe, like, and follow for some more. We'll see what we got today. All of this stupid stuff started again with the $20 Mac Pro 1,1 that piqued my interest in wanting to get back into content creation and making better quality content. I'm hoping as time goes by, I will get better. Well, surfing again through Facebook Marketplace, I stumbled across this listing. The A1186 I knew was going to be a Mac Pro 3,1, but I was not sure if it was worth my time and energy or the $75 US, and I have no use for the G5 even if it does work. Stupid me, I messaged the person that listed them, asked if we could meet up the next morning. Their answer was yup. And then they added, would you be interested in any older MacBook Pros like 2008, 2009? I have some that are in good shape, but they need diagnostics. I'd sell them cheap. And my stupid ass says, heck yeah, bring them along, I'll look. Well, enough said. $100 less in my pocket, and the back of my vehicle loaded. This is what I got. Okay, the first one we're going to take a look at is going to be the MacBook Pro 13-inch. It seems to be a Core 2 Duo 2.26 gigahertz Core 2 Duo processor. The model number on it is A1278. Got it plugged in, got the orange light like it's charging. Let's go ahead and light it up, see what we got. All of these are not going to have hard drives in them. I just want to make sure that the screen is working and that it shows the flashing folder, and then we'll go ahead and put hard drives in them, or at least a test hard drive, and take a look and see what we've got. Well, that one works. It's got a flashing folder sign, so we'll go ahead and move on to the next one. Okay, next up we're going to take a look at a MacBook Pro 15-inch Core 2 Duo. The model number is A1286. This is supposed to be a 2.53 gigahertz. Took the battery out because it is starting to expand, and I don't need that around here. So we're going to put that off to the side, and we're going to go ahead and plug it in. Green light. Let's see what happens here. Okay, and the CD is starting to make some noises. We got light, we got chime. And there's tape and crap on the back side of it too. I'll probably speed up the video here. And we've got a flashing folder. So we'll go ahead and shut this one off. I did notice on this one it got mashed pretty well on that corner right there, and it's lifting up the bottom, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one for parts or what we're going to do, but we'll move on to the next one. Okay, the last MacBook Pro that we've got here is a MacBook Pro 15-inch. It's still a Core 2 Duo, but this one's supposed to be a 2.93 gigahertz Core 2 Duo. It's going to be the model number A1286. I do know that this one of the hinges is starting to separate, so we'll have to be a little bit careful with that, but plug it in and take a look. And we got green light, and let's go ahead and get power on, see what we got. There it goes. And we've got screen. And I'm going to speed this up through this one. And we've got a flashing folder. So right now we've got 3 for 3 on the MacBook Pros. We'll go ahead, and I'm not sure if I'm going to do this in another video. We'll go through each one of them with a test hard drive, or if we continue on with this one. Okay, the last one I might be able to test tonight is going to be the Power Mac G5. I think this is supposed to be a, let's see, I think a 2 gigahertz something. I can't even read the model number on it. Yeah, dual 2 gigahertz. It looks like it's got 2 gigs of memory in there, 2 1 gig sticks. I'm not going to put it on its side because if you can see right here, it's been mashed pretty well. Maybe Rutke Mods wants this or something like that. Who knows? It's got a known good power source in it. Let's turn to see if it turns on. And no power, so probably the power supply or the logic board shot on it. So maybe somebody wants this. Who knows? If they want to pay for the shipping, they can have it for free. Okay, day 2 of filming on the $100 tech haul. The pièce de resistance was the Mac Pro 3,1. This one is an 8-core system, so it's got dual 2.8 gigahertz quad-core processors, the E5462s. Right now it's got 16 gigs of memory in it. System's relatively clean, but it still needs to be cleaned up just a bit. Right now I do have Mac OS X High Sierra running thanks to DOS Dude 1. His scripts have just absolutely been phenomenal. Easily putting the OS on this one, even though it's not supported. The last supported OS was El Cap on this one. I'm going to do some more videos on this later as long as I can get the video card upgraded in it. It's got the Radeon 7770 in it right now, the HD, the Mac version of the card, so that I do get the boot screens and everything else. Thanks also to Rutke Mods. All of his videos and everything else have just been so helpful and everything else. Like I said, I've already got High Sierra on this. I'm going to try and put a Radeon RX 580 8 gigabyte card into it. No, the 580. Yep, I've got that one right here. So we're going to try and put that in there and see where we go with all of this. See if I can get some more video editing processing better than what I've got right now, just using VideoPad. Right now it's got the 250 gig SSD in Bay 1. It's got a set of 3 terabyte drives in there in RAID. The Bay 1 is the 250 gig SSD. The Bay 3 and 4 have the 3 terabyte hard drives mirrored in the OS already. It does have 2 bays up top that are both filled with the super drives. So I'm going to continue on working with this thing and we'll see where we go. Still looking for a Mac 5,1, hopefully a dual processor. The 1,1 I'll probably gift to my daughter and let her use that as a Windows 10 machine to go ahead and use Fortnite on that because she really likes playing Fortnite. So I may get the GTX 750 running back in that one so that she's at least got decent screen resolution and the frames per second. Subscribe so that you don't miss any of the other videos that I've got on this. We'll probably go through each one of the MacBook Pros in one of the upcoming videos, getting the OS installed on those, definitely testing them out and possibly flipping them, and then we'll just go from there. Thanks for watching. See you later.